Hi everyone, welcome to NEET Biology channel. Which of the following statements about Aristotle's classification is correct? A. He classified plants into algae, fungi, and bryophytes. B. He divided animals into groups with and without red blood. C. He separated organisms based on cell structure and phylogeny. D. He proposed the five-kingdom system. Correct option is B. He divided animals into groups with and without red blood. Explanation: B is correct because Aristotle classified animals into two groups, those with red blood, vertebrates, and those without red blood, invertebrates. A is wrong because he divided plants into trees, shrubs, and herbs, not algae, fungi, or bryophytes. C is wrong because classification by cell structure and phylogeny came much later. D is wrong because the five-kingdom classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker in 1969. Which of the following was a major drawback of Linnaeus Two-Kingdom system? A. It included both prokaryotes and eukaryotes in the same kingdom. B. It separated unicellular and multicellular organisms clearly. C. It distinguished between autotrophs and heterotrophs properly. D. It recognized fungi as a separate kingdom. Correct option is A. It included both prokaryotes and eukaryotes in the same kingdom. Explanation: A is correct because the two-kingdom system placed prokaryotes, bacteria, cyanobacteria, and eukaryotes, plants, fungi, algae, together. B is wrong because it failed to distinguish unicellular versus multicellular organisms. C is wrong because it placed autotrophic algae and heterotrophic fungi in the same group, plants. D is wrong because fungi were not recognized separately until later classifications. Which one of the following was a key criterion used by R.H. Whittaker in his five-kingdom classification? A. Shape of chloroplasts. B. Presence of locomotory organelles. C. Mode of nutrition. D. Mode of respiration only. Correct option is C. Mode of nutrition. Explanation: C is correct because Whittaker considered mode of nutrition, autotrophic, heterotrophic, saprophytic, parasitic, as one of the main criteria. A is wrong because chloroplast shape was not a criterion. B is wrong because locomotory organelles were not used as a primary criterion. D is wrong because respiration was not the only deciding factor. Which of the following organisms was shifted from plant kingdom to Protista under the five-kingdom classification? A. Amoeba. B. Chlamydomonas. C. Hydra. D. Mushroom. Correct option is B. Chlamydomonas. Explanation: B is correct because unicellular algae like Chlamydomonas were earlier in plants but moved to Protista. A is wrong because amoeba was always in animal-like protists, protozoa. C is wrong because Hydra remained in Animalia. D is wrong because fungi were moved to a separate kingdom, not Protista. Which of the following groups was unified under the old plant kingdom, leading to problems in classification? A. Bacteria, fungi, algae, and angiosperms. B. Monera, Protista, Plantae, and Animalia. C. Protozoa, Porifera, Coelenterate, and Nematoda. D. Fungi, Protista, Animalia, and Plantae. Correct option is A. Bacteria, fungi, algae, and angiosperms. Explanation. A is correct because the old plant kingdom wrongly grouped bacteria, blue-green algae, fungi, mosses, ferns, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. B is wrong because these represent different kingdoms, not a single group under plants. C is wrong because those are animal phyla, not classified as plants. D is wrong because Protista and Animalia were not included under plants. Match the scientist system with their contribution. Column 1 vertical bar column 2. A. Aristotle vertical bar 1. 5 Kingdom classification. B. Linnaeus vertical bar 2. 2 Kingdom classification. C. R. H. Whittaker vertical bar 3. Plants into trees, shrubs, herbs. D. Carl Woese vertical bar 4. 3-domain system. A. A 3b2c1d4. B. A 2b3c1d4. C. A 3b1c2d4. D. A 4b2c3d1. Correct option is a 3b2c1d4. Explanation. Aristotle divided plants morphologically: trees, shrubs, herbs. 3. Linnaeus Two-Kingdom classification. 2. Whittaker Five Kingdom classification. 1. Carl Woese 3-domain system. 4. Match the kingdom with its cell type, cell wall. Column 1 vertical bar column 2. A. Monera vertical bar 1. Prokaryotic, non-cellulosic wall with polysaccharide plus amino acids. B. Fungi vertical bar 2. Eukaryotic, chitin cell wall. C. Plantae vertical bar 3. Eukaryotic, cellulose cell wall. D. Animalia vertical bar 4. Eukaryotic, no cell wall. A. A 1b2c3d4. B. A 2b3c4d1. C. A 1b3c2d4. D. A 4b2c1d3. Correct option is a 1b2c3d4. Explanation. Monera prokaryotic with non-cellulosic wall. 1. Fungi eukaryotic with chitin wall. 2. Plantae eukaryotic with cellulose wall. 3. Animalia eukaryotic without cell wall. 4. Match organisms with the kingdom they belong to in the 5-kingdom system. Column 1 vertical bar column 2. A. Cyanobacteria vertical bar 1. Monera. B. Amoeba vertical bar 2. Protista. C. Mushroom vertical bar 3. Fungi. D. Mango tree vertical bar 4. Plantae. A. A 1b2c3d4. B. A 2b1c4d3. C. A 1b4c2d3. D. A 3b1c4d2. Correct option is a 1b2c3d4. Explanation. Cyanobacteria, Monera. Amoeba, Protista. Mushroom, Fungi. Mango tree, Plantae. Match organisms with their earlier versus present placement. Column 1 vertical bar column 2. A. Chlamydomonas vertical bar 1. From plants, Protista. B. Fungi vertical bar 2. From plants, separate kingdom fungi. C. Amoeba vertical bar 3. From Animalia, Protista. D. Blue-green algae vertical bar 4. From plants, Monera. A. A 1b2c3d4. B. A 3b1c2d4. C. A 2b4c3d1. D. A 1b3c4d2. Correct option is A. A 1b2c3d4. Explanation. Chlamydomonas, unicellular algae, plants, Protista. Fungi, plants, kingdom fungi. Amoeba, Animalia, Protista. Blue-green algae, plants, Monera. Match kingdom with mode of nutrition. Column 1 vertical bar, column 2. A. Monera vertical bar 1. Autotrophic, chemo-photosynthetic, or heterotrophic. B. Protista vertical bar 2. Autotrophic, photosynthetic, or heterotrophic. C. Fungi vertical bar 3. Heterotrophic, saprophytic, parasitic. D. Animalia vertical bar 4. Heterotrophic, holozoic, saprophytic, etc. A. 1b 2c 3d4. B. 2b 3c 4d1. C. 3b 4c 1d2. D. 1b 3c 2d4. Correct option is A. 1b 2c 3d4. Explanation: Monera autotrophic or heterotrophic 1. Protista autotrophic or heterotrophic 2. Fungi heterotrophic, saprophytic, parasitic 3. Animalia heterotrophic, holozoic, saprophytic 4.